I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and clicking the profile icon at the top right. This shows the account currently signed in. Once you see the profile menu, check which Google address is active so you don't overwrite the wrong data. Next, choose Manage People to add a new profile or select Sign Out to remove the existing account. Do this now to create a clean state. Making the change from a new profile avoids mixing bookmarks and sync settings. Now you add or sign into the new Google email. Click Add to create a new Chrome profile, then sign in using the new account credentials. If you signed out earlier, choose Turn on Sync and enter the new address and password. Make sure to review sync options so bookmarks, passwords, and extensions follow the right account. Once done, Chrome will import that account's data into the profile. This keeps your old profile intact and prevents accidental data merge. To complete, switch to the new profile and confirm bookmarks, history, and extensions synced correctly. If you no longer need the previous email in Chrome, remove that profile from Manage People to avoid confusion. If something goes wrong, such as missing bookmarks or sync errors, sign out and back in, clear cache, or disable and re-enable sync. Sometimes re-authenticating fixes permission mismatches. Make sure two-step verification prompts are completed if enabled, and then continue using the new email in Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.